Welcome all. This is our lecture 23 and our today's topic is target named frame. In the previous lecture, we have learned how can we create a named frame by using the name attribute with the frame tag. Now, in today's lecture, we will load that particular files with these named frames. So let's start our today's lecture. One of the most popular uses of frames is to place navigation bars in one frame and then load main pages into a separate frame. As you have seen and you have used this kind of facility in any website that you are clicking on a particular section and on the particular in a different section of the particular website the desired output will shown, okay, without disturbing the main structure of the website. Okay, we will look the example also in this lecture. First of all, let's see one example. I have some example. I have divided the browser screen in two columns. One is acquiring 40% and star represent the remaining space, that is 60%. Okay, we have two frames. The name of the first frame is menu page. The name of the second frame is main page, and we have load the first frame with these particular file or the file content, that is menu HTML, and this is loaded by the another file, that is main HTML. Okay, here I have used body, but there is no need to use body with the frame set tag. If you are using the frame set tag, then there is no use of body tag. As I explained, this is the explanation of the previous example. This is the coding for the menu.html, that this particular web page we have load in the section, and this is the main HTML. This is the another file which we have load in the different section. Okay, so to check the functioning of these tags, we must have some HTML files. Basically, as per your need, 2, 3, 4 in numbers, as per your needs, you can create. By the one single file, you cannot manage. So, as per the coding, this is the output of that particular coding. If you will run these particular examples in your browser, then this will show. Here we have some hyperlinks which we have created. You can check here. In this menu.html, we have created these hyperlinks: Google, Microsoft, and BBC News. and this is the main HTML file, main.html. This is main page, and content from any link will be displayed here. When you will run this, when you will click on Google, the content of Google will shown in this part. When you will click on Microsoft, the content will show in this particular part, and this will remain same. Okay, you can create 2, 3, 4 sections as per your needs, and as here only this section will change, all other section will remain same. You have definitely seen these kind of websites. Okay, so these provided codes, you can check the functioning of these. At the end, this is the end of the frame set tag and your unit, I think unit number third also, second, unit number second also. The frame set tag will not work in all the browsers, as HTML5 have resolved and removed these frame set tags to function. So some browsers are working with this and some browsers are not working with this. So let's try. My browser is not allowing me to perform the functioning of these, so I have prepared some another example to you. By the HTML5, we have some different tag also. That is iframe. We can use iframe also. We can check the example of that particular. As the alternate of this frame set, HTML5 have provided iframe tag. Iframe. All the attributes like src are same. If we have need, you can use this iframe tag. Okay, as I have used iframe tags, and I have used 2 iframes. I have prepared 2 frames with the help of iframe tag. First one is containing SUG site and second one is containing Google site. If we will see the output of this, let's see, this is the output of this. There is some problem in loading. The browser is refusing to connect, but this is this shown the results. Okay, you can try this as per your needs. The browser, maybe your browser will support the previous examples as well, but you can use these tags also. Okay, prepare your notes and be in learning mode always.